How to redo edit on CapCut. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can redo edit on CapCut very easily. So guys, without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe. So firstly, open the CapCut. So after opening the CapCut, here you can see your project. So you can select any project from here. You can select a new project from your gallery by click on new project. So I am selecting a previous project. So after this, here you can see my video. So now you can see I selected some parts. So if I want to delete some parts, so just select the part. So after this, click on delete options. So after this, you can see here undo option. So when you will click on undo, so you can undo edit on CapCut. So if you want to add if you want to use redo option, so just click on redo. So you can see you can undo and redo on CapCut. So guys, in this way you can use undo and redo function on CapCut. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.